Okay, next we discuss pH calculation of amphiprotic species. You get sometimes exam questions. Ions are there like which can be taken HCO3 negative ions, H2PO4 negative ions, HPO4 2 negative ions, HC2O4 2 negative ion. Such kind of ions which can behave two way. When we dissolve in aqueous solution, on dissolving in aqueous solution, they can give hydronium ions and they also can give OH negative ions. Are called as amphiprotic species, which when dissolved in solution they can give hydronium ion and also OH negative ions, meaning they can behave as both acid and base. Are called as amphiprotic ions. Like if I take solution taken sodium bicarbonate. Solution taken sodium bicarbonate 0.1 molar concentration. If the pH is required, so in this case we can have two reactions. One reaction taken HCO3 negative ions, they have acidic hydrogen, so then water they can dissociate to give hydronium ions plus carbonate ion. In this reaction they are behaving as acid. Expression taken Ka2 of this H2CO3. At the same time, in solution HCO3 negative ions, they can take hydrogen ion from water and convert to H2CO3 plus in solution they give OH negative ions. So they behave as base, and in this case we have expression of KH. This can be taken reaction of salt hydrolysis. Reaction of salt hydrolysis. This can be taken K2 expression of this weak acid. So KH will be how much? KW by Ka. 1 कैसे होगा? In the backward direction, H2CO3 is losing first hydrogen plus ion. In the backward direction, this H2CO3 losing first hydrogen plus ions. So in such case, for pH calculation of such solutions, which can behave both acid and base, we can take expression of pH is equal to half of pKa1 plus pKa2. We will take two consecutive pK values involved in these two expressions. One when they give hydronium ions, and second when they give OH negative ion due to reaction of salt hydrolysis. So we take two Ka involved. In this case they involve Ka2 and second case they involve pK1. इसका डेरिवेशन आपको मैं समझाऊंगा इन एडवांस पोर्शन. बस आपको चाहिए नहीं डेरिवेशन इस पार्ट का. एक डायरेक्ट आपको रिजल्ट से आपको इतना ध्यान रखना है कि आपको जो इक्वेशन दो लिखोगे उन दो इक्वेशंस में कौन से आपके Ka वैल्यू इन्वॉल्व होंगे, आपको उसका ध्यान रखना है. उसमें जो दो Ka इन्वॉल्व होंगे आप उसका डायरेक्ट वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे, उसका हाफ ले देंगे तो आपको क्या आएगा pH ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. तो यू कैन टेक फॉर सच सॉल्यूशन in different cases. If solution is ions only or salt which are these ions, for them the pH value is independent of their salt concentration. इस equation में C आपका involve नहीं होता है. In such case concentration of salt is not involved. So you can take for such solution concentration 0.1 or 0.2 molar or 0.3 molar will not be required to us for pH calculation. Okay, so if I take solution of NaHCO3, they involve pK1, pK2, so we can take there pK1 plus pK2 by 2 is pH. If I suppose take salt HPO4 2 negative ion, when it is HPO4 2 negative ion, in dissolving in solution क्या देगा आपको? It can give hydronium ion plus phosphate ion. In this case it is behaving as acid, losing third hydrogen ion, so K3 expression, or second HPO4 2 negative ions are hydrolyzed in the reaction of salt hydrolysis. Then what will happen? It will take hydrogen ion from water to form H2PO4 minus plus OH negative ion. In the reaction of salt hydrolysis, we take KH expression. What is KH? Kw by Ka. Now we take which Ka value? See the backward direction. H3PO4 have 3 hydrogen replaceable. H3PO4 have 3 hydrogen replaceable. In the backward direction using third hydrogen plus ion. In the backward direction using second H plus ion. First when they form H2PO4 negative, second when they form HPO4 negative, we take K2 expression. आप देखो ना बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ये थर्ड in the backward direction it is losing second hydrogen plus ion. So we have expression Kw by K2 as expression of KH. So in this case what is pH value? Will be taken half. क्या लेंगे? pKa 2 and pK3 for pH कैलकुलेशन. अब ध्यान रखिए, डाउट होता है कि क्या करना है, तो आप दो इक्वेशन लिखेंगे ऐसे सॉल्ट के लिए. इन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन दे आर बिहेविंग एज एसिड, उसमें आपका आएगा एक Ka एक्सप्रेशन, लाइक वी हैव इन दिस केस K2 एक्सप्रेशन, हियर वी हैव K3 एक्सप्रेशन. एंड सेकंड टेक रिएक्शन ऑफ सॉल्ट हाइड्रोलिसिस वेयर दे बिहेव एज बेस. फर्स्ट स्टेप बिहेविंग एज एसिड, second step behaving as base in same aqueous medium. Such kind of ions are called as amphiprotic ions, which can give hydronium ions or OH negative ions. Second case also when they are behaving as acid or base, तो यहाँ पे क्या losing third hydrogen ion K3. When this is hydrolyzed, तो backward reaction इसका है, K2 का expression backward है, तो 1 by K2 into Kw, तो K2 आपका आएगा यहाँ इक्वेशन में. We get expression of K2 here. So in such expressions for pH calculation, you can take concentration of salt or the species is not required. We only take Ka or K2 values or K3 values consecutive, whichever are involved in two reactions. इसका derivation भी है formula का. I'll explain in advanced part. But आपको normally question करने के लिए required नहीं पड़ता है, इस चीज का derivation है. ठीक है ना. Anyway it is there. To make this point clear, I'll take 2-3 examples. आपको उसमें क्वेश्चन दिया, लिखिए क्वेश्चन. What is the pH of 0.1 molar solution of sodium bicarbonate? Find the pH. What is the pH of 0.1 molar solution of sodium bicarbonate? आपको दिया है इसमें Ka1 is 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 and Ka2 is 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 11 for H2CO3, called as what name is there? Carbonic acid is given to you. आपको आगे दिया है log 2 you take value as 0.3, log 3 you take 0.48. In the question this values are given. Okay, so solve this question yourself. हो गया आंसर. Now to solve this question, देखिए यहाँ पर क्या है, it contain amphiprotic ions, तो concentration of salt not required, because solution contain HCO3 negative ions which are amphiprotic species which can hydrolyze to give OH negative ions or can give hydronium ions. So in such case what is pH value? pH can be taken half of pKa1 plus pKa2, 2 consecutive pK values. कितना है इसमें pKa1? 7 minus log 4.5 plus 11 minus log 4.5. Okay, so you can solve this part here for pH calculation. You can take 7 plus 11, कितना पड़ेगा? 18 minus you can take here कितना पड़ेगा? 2 log 4.5 or it can be taken 9/2. So we can take here on solving this expression here. Two log 4.5. So we can take log. What is log of 4.5? It is log of 9/2. इसी को इक्वल करना है तो what is log 9? 2 into 0.48 minus 0.3 log 2 का वैल्यू तो 0.96 minus 0.3 0.66 तो 18 minus 0.66 सॉरी इंटू 2 करेंगे इसमें that's 1.32 0.66 into 2 1.32 18 minus 1.32 कितना हो जाएगा 16.68 तो हाफ ऑफ 16.68 कितना होता है 8.34 इज योर आंसर What is pk1? Minus log k1 is pk1. What is pk2? Minus log k2 is pk2. That's all. So for the solution we have pH value 8.34. Concentration of salt not required for calculation of pH for the amphiprotic ions or species. For calculation of pH we don't require concentration of salt for such amphiprotic species. Are you clear? Write one more question. आपको क्वेश्चन दिया है निकालना है फाइंड द pH ऑफ 0.1 मोलर Na2HPO4 एंड 0.1 मोलर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ NaH2PO4. आपको सॉल्यूशन दिया है Na2HPO4 एंड NaH2PO4 आर गिवन टू यू. फॉर द टू सॉल्यूशंस आपको pH निकालना है. आपको क्वेश्चन दिया क्या गया है गिवन द pK1 pK2 pK3 are given to you 2.2 7 pK2 7.2 and pK3 11 4 sorry 12 4 H3PO4. In the question this information given to you. आपको निकालना है pH of 0.1 molar solution of Na2HPO4 and pH of 0.1 molar solution of NaH2PO4. For them find the pH values. In the question information given pK1, pK2, pK3 for H3PO4 is given to you. pK1, pK2, pK3 are given for H3PO4. Try this question yourself. Now to solve this question, we can take salt or ions separately. आपको पहले में क्या आयन दिया है HPO4 2 negative ion. When hydrolyzed तो क्या देगा solution में? It means when behaving as acid, it gives phosphate ions plus H3O plus. It is expression of K3 and then HPO4 2 negative ions when hydrolyzed in solution give H2PO4 minus plus OH negative ion. Expression is KH is KW by Ka2 losing second hydrogen ions. So when they involve K2 K3 what is pH for solution half of pKa2 plus pK3. What is pK2? 7.2 pK3 12 19.2 by 2 कितना होगा 9.6 is your one answer of pH. Now second solution taken H2PO4 that is ions taken H2PO4 negative plus water. They can give HPO4 2 negative ion plus OH negative ion, sorry, it is giving HN, so hydronium ions, it is Ka2 expression. H2PO4 negative ions when hydrolyzed, it can give H3PO4 plus OH negative ions. It is reaction of salt hydrolysis where we have KH as Kw by Ka1. For the reaction of hydrolysis, we write expression Kw by Ka1, and then for this expression, what is KH or pH? हाफ क्या लेंगे pKa1 प्लस pKa2. बहुत सिंपल आपका तरीका बता दिया मैंने इसमें कि अगर आपका सॉल्ट दिया है, दो आप रिएक्शन लेंगे सॉल्ट के लिए या उस आयन के लिए. एक रिएक्शन हुआ इस पे, एक रिएक्शन हुआ इस पे किसके लिए, फॉर द रिएक्शन ऑफ हाइड्रोलिसिस, और एक रिएक्शन होगा व्हेन दिस कंपाउंड बिहेव एज एसिड. वन फॉर द एसिड बिहेवियर, वन फॉर द रिएक्शन ऑफ सॉल्ट हाइड्रोलिसिस. उसमें जो भी के आपके इन्वॉल्व होते हैं आप डायरेक्ट इसको ले लेते हैं पीएच निकालने के लिए. यहाँ पर क्या होगा, K2 इन्वॉल्व है और K1 इन्वॉल्व है, तो आपने वही दो K लेंगे जो आपके इन्वॉल्व होंगे इन द रिएक्शन ऑफ सॉल्ट हाइड्रोलिसिस और व्हेन द कंपाउंड बिहेव एज एसिड. आप उन दो एक्सप्रेशन को लेकर के पीएच निकालेंगे. तो कितना का इसमें पीएच आपका, व्हाट इज pK1 2.2, 7.2 is pK2, that's 8.4 by 2, 4.2 is your pH, sorry 9.4 by 2, so 9.4 means 4.7, 9.4 by 2, your pH become 4.7. It is the second answer. So in this question we will have we have two answers. For this solution we have pH is equal to 9.6. For second solution we have pH equal to 4.7 are the answers. I hope it is clear. So whenever in the questions we get the amphiprotic ions, for their pH of solutions are independent of the salt concentration. इस पॉइंट को ध्यान रखेंगे. क्वेश्चन पूछता है कि सॉल्यूशन देगा 0.1 मोलर, इतना pH है. Now if solution taken 0.2 molar, 0.5 molar, what is the pH now? No change. We have taken two species, one for the salts of weak acid and weak base. The degree of hydrolysis or pH were independent of the salt concentration. Similarly here also for amphiprotic ions, pH values of solutions are independent of the salt concentrations. I hope it is clear this much portion. चलिए, तो that is the kind of question you get on the topic salt hydrolysis. On this part you get questions with high level examinations, sometimes advanced aims if you talk.